And those for the day, and today we are here from Acne Star AI and G Code. We are here at Aditya Group of Institutions, which offers a huge range of courses, huge range of specializations, and we are glad to be over here and so grateful to be interacting with the students of this prestigious institution. We are from Acne Star and we are performing a couple of skin checkups using AI, and we are also giving away products which match the best to your skin needs. So what are you waiting for? Join us right here at the Acne Star AI G-Code Activation Zone. Please claim your free products and please get your skin analysis done. We also have some mini challenges for you. So if you are a part of the beautiful institution, please be a part of this beautiful day we are hosting right here at Aditya Group of Institutions.
Future unfolds. Consciousness drifts. A rhythm untold. No set destination. Music unleashed. Boundless echoes, where dreams are breached. Eyes locked forward, drawn into sight. Energy pulsing, like waves in the night. Future unfolds. Consciousness drifts. A rhythm untold. No set destination. Music unleashed. Boundless echoes, where dreams are breached. Energy pulsing, like waves in the night.
This is Dr. Saujanya Bhattu. I'm the Vice Principal of Aditya Bangalore Institute of Pharmacy Education and Research. I'm very glad to have you all here to talk about our college. We give a lot of importance to not just academics and research, we also give importance to the extracurricular, co-curricular activities. which will even benefit our students, faculty members, and society, the people who are in and around. And talking to this session, what we have arranged today, healthcare is not just talking about inside the body, it is about external body, taking care of the outside of the body as well. So the first thing that any person notices when anybody meets anyone is the face. They look at the face, and if your face is clean and clear, I think the confidence that you gain is totally different. So this session would obviously help everyone to understand the nature, the type of our skin, the nature of our skin, and what to do with it, what not to do with it. And I thank you all for organizing this in our college, and hope our faculty as well as students will make a best use of this. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
So happy to be here, ma'am. And once again, I want to thank you with our extreme heartfelt gratitude that you let us be here, that you let us interact with your students, which was very amazing.
Thank you. Thank you.
We are glad to be here.
Thank you.
We also. We are right here at Aditya Group of Institutions. It is a prestigious institute which offers many amazing courses, including aviation and many more. I think you would love to check the brochure out because the list of the courses is endless. We are here from the Acne Star team and we are hosting an AI-powered skin analysis, and we are also giving away products which suit your skin the best. We have face washes, gels and everything which is best suited to your skin. So what are you waiting?
My face don't know where I am, cause I got my drugs from Amsterdam.